Well, welcome back to the channel right here, the Travelling Bear with Stopover, and disaster just keeps on striking, doesn't it? We're down here at Field Farm Stopover. It's an animal sanctuary, and hey, on the video just at the top you can see what it looked like just a couple of weeks ago down here, but last night and for quite a few days the heavens have absolutely opened. The rainwater, it has receded, it has gone down, but we're still going to take the drone up just to show you a little bit of how bad it is. Last night all this section here was totally underwater, and we're going to have a word with them shortly as we go down there. But the reason I'm putting this video out, it's one of our favorite stopover sites. It's a little stopover site, as I said, and I think it's, what is it, they ask for donations, so minimum of £5 donation I believe it is, and all of that 100% goes to the animals down here, because hey, they let's see what we've got here. They're the rules as you come in. Okay, so it's all responsible stuff, so we'll go through, show you what a nightmare they've had. Last winter time it completely flooded again. Remember, it's only just into autumn right now, but hey, don't be put off by this place at all, because it is a wonderful stopover place when it's dry, and I really feel for them down here. You'll be able to tell when we take the drone up. Stay with us. Well, I'm sure the ducks are probably enjoying it, but that's about the only ones. It's been an absolute nightmare just recently for Marie. She runs it down here, and it really is something that they've put together that's quite special. It's, I say, they're looking after animals that can't look after themselves, and I thoroughly applaud that. I think it's wonderful, and as a stopover site, I absolutely love it down here, and all the details should be going across the screen right now, and but what they really need is basically some help. So as I said, you can stay down here, and it's a donation they ask for. I will double check, but I think it's just £5 a night, and all of that money goes straight towards the animals. But if you're watching this and thinking, hey, yeah, when the weather's good I'd like to go down there, there we go, and on the video that's playing at the top you can see what it really looks like when it's nice. And but if you've got any particular skills that you could help out with, I know at the moment there's a guy down here, and he's doing some repairs to the house. Last winter time it completely flooded the house. Well, actually last night it flooded the house as well, and they've been sweeping that out. Fortunately it's just a light drizzle at the moment, and it has receded pretty quickly. But of course, the beginning of autumn, what is the winter time going to bring? But we're going to have a quick word with the guy that's working down here. But as I said, if you've got any skills that you could offer, please give them a call. That's the guy's dog. It's not Jasmine, by the way. If you can help, please get in touch, and I'm sure they'll open with open arms. They'd be over the moon. And I know they need some roof work doing very desperately, and to hopefully stop more of this rain, my feet. But this last night was totally underwater. But anyway, let's have a quick word with a couple of people. Look at it. Oh, what damage, what absolute damage rain does. So our friend just here is helping out and sweeping out. So when did you get down here, sir?
Yesterday afternoon.
Yeah, what was it like yesterday?
Pretty deep.
Yeah?
Quite a lot of flooding. As you can see, the bit out there was very flooded.
Yeah.
And I parked up the top, and about 11 o'clock I got out the van to have a look, and I was 2 feet of water.
Really?
So to quickly get the van going and get out up to the main road, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It's very bad.
So that's your blue van.
That's a blue van.
Just there.
In, yeah.
That's it. Yeah,
That's one of the reasons for coming here, because she's an XL friendly farm.
Yeah, yeah.
She's a sanctuary as well. So, but as you know, it was run down a bit, and now it's going to be regenerated, hopefully.
Hopefully, with help from good people like yourself.
Yes,
so, what's your name, sir?
Perry.
Perry.
Yeah.
Okay. And how often do you come down here, Perry?
Well, I'm living here now.
Yeah.
I'm going to stay here. She's given me a round the back there. I'm going to convert a little barn into somewhere to live, and stay here and help her run the sanctuary. And
what a top man.
Yeah. But what we need is, like I said, is lots of volunteers to come down.
Yeah.
And help out, and local builders. Well, materials are tax deductible when you give them away to charity and that sort of thing. So we'd love local builders to get in touch with Marie, the owner of the farm, and have a good chat with her, really.
Okay, all right. Well, anybody that's watching this, on the intro that I just did, I said, hey, if anybody's got any skills, please get in touch.
Yes,
and going across the screen one more time, you'll see the phone number, so you'll be able to get in touch with them. But no, and what are you actually working on at the moment?
Well, at the moment, I'm just clearing the yard.
Yeah.
And all the aviaries have got to be re-roofed, so we need plastic sheeting for the roofs.
Yeah.
You know, the proper corrugated sheeting. Going to re-channelise all the wood so it's fit for the birds to go back into. And the stables there, there's a goat living there at the moment, but they're going to be cleaned out and done, hopefully, for horses and goats and bits and pieces. Really, any animal that needs help.
Okay.
Any animal at all. Doesn't matter what it is. It can be an ant, it can be an elephant. Anything at all. Just to look after. As you can see, the ducks running about everywhere.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, here they come.
Yeah.
Coming for the water.
Well, as I've said at the beginning, this is definitely one of my favourite places to come down, and I certainly like coming and supporting it.
It's beautiful, it really is.
Yeah, it is. Unfortunately, we're not going to show it at its best at the moment, but that's the whole point of me coming down here, to show you what an awful time they've had just recently. So if you can help out at all, we'd really appreciate it. There we go. Hello, ducks. So we'll take the drone up, and even though the water has receded, I'm sure you'll get the full idea. This was flooded as well yesterday.
Yeah, this was flooded here.
Wow.
And one of the important bits is that, if you can see the roof up there,
Yeah.
we're going to take all that off, and we'd like an experienced roofer, if anyone's about, to come down and give advice and help and that sort of thing. Although I'm a general builder, there are specialist things that need to be done, like the electrics and plumbing and stuff like that. So the more the merrier, really.
Okay, we'll see what we can do. Thank you.
Brilliant. Nice one.
Hi, it's Stu Bear from the Travelling Bear YouTube channel, and as a big thanks for everybody watching the videos and subscribing, we've got a great offer for you. It's from the Kent and Sussex Tea and Coffee Company, and for all you great viewers, you can get 15% off every single order. All you need to do is just at the checkout use the code, and that code is CAMPING, CAMPING. It's all uppercase, and the link is underneath the video right now. So enjoy the tea and keep on enjoying watching Travelling Bear with Stu Bear.